Hi guys, welcome back. On my way to pick up my son and get my taxes done. It's that time of year. We are in early part of March, and I'm just going to talk about a little bit about having your taxes done by a professional compared to doing them yourself. I have been doing my taxes myself pretty much my entire adult life, and thought I was doing a pretty good job at it, but this last year my oldest son was of age where it changed the dependent credit, I guess. Anytime they turn 16, I guess you lose the bigger child dependent credit. Being a single mom, I claim both of my children. So I didn't realize that the age of 16 was when you lost that credit. I thought it was when they turned 18, which he's over 19 now. So anyways, I wanted to have my taxes amended for last year because when I did them myself, I thought I had messed something up and lost that credit. So I went into H&R Block, and all these years that I've owned a home, which is going to be 5 years this May, I've never claimed my mortgage interest, which I know that's stupid of me, but I just didn't because it was just easier for me not to, and doing my taxes myself online was free or close to it, so I was trying to save money. And so I brought in my mortgage interest statements over the last couple of years, and I hadn't been claiming my student loan interest as well. And the reason being with that is because I wasn't paying on my student loan, so I didn't think I could claim that credit, which you can. So I had the man from H&R Block amend my 2015, 2016, and he's now doing my 2017 taxes for me, and I am getting back thousands more that I had missed out on over the last few years of me not claiming my student loan interest and my 401k deductions and all of that stuff. So yeah, it's a little pricey to have your taxes done, and especially to have them amended. I had to pay a few $100s to amend the last couple of years' tax returns, and I'm not sure how much it's going to cost today to do this year's current tax returns, but I'm getting back thousands more. So moral of the story is to maybe trust the professionals, especially once you start getting into more complicated things like student loan interest and mortgage and your retirement savings plans, like your 401ks, that kind of thing, because just doing the basic do-it-yourself freebie thing is definitely not as accurate as maybe you think it would be, and then you're missing out on thousands of dollars. And I know as a single mom, those thousands of dollars over the last couple of years have actually been quite helpful as far as paying up bills, and somebody ran out of gas, just taking care of things that I needed to take care of. So I'm thankful that I'm getting it all back this year, with no fees or penalties or anything like that. So I'm actually putting it to good use and paying up bills and things like that with it this year. But it's definitely worth the extra few dollars to go and have it done by a professional. Now that I'm a grown-up, I guess. I think those tax websites that you do yourself are probably good for teenagers and maybe people who don't have children, or who don't have a mortgage, or 401k deductions and things like that. If you just got really basic returns, and it's probably great, and it's probably good to just do it and not have to pay anything for it. But I learned the hard way over the last 3 years. I'm not claiming everything that I should have claimed and losing out on thousands of dollars. So definitely pay professional, kids. It's worth it. But yeah, I'm not going to show actual numbers or my offices or anything, because that's obviously very private information. But yeah, I did use H&R Block just because it's the closest and easy, like most convenient place to actually get my taxes done. And because this is the first year that I've actually used any tax preparation company, I didn't really know where else to go. So that's where I started. Maybe next year I'll research and see like if other companies cost less. But H&R Block has been around for a bunch of years. They're probably pretty trustworthy as far as accuracy and what have you when it comes to tax preparation. And I guess I'm thankful that I didn't get like audited or something. I don't know how any of that works, but thankful that I didn't have any of those issues from not doing things correctly. So definitely, I think, in my opinion, pay the professional to have it done, and get all the money back that you deserve to get back. So that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.